if you don't get the right part, if you misidentify the part, you send it out to the customer directly, or you try to install it on their vehicle and you find out, oh, it's the wrong part. What does that do for that end user customer? What's the cost associated with that?
Well, I mean, we use uptime in our industry every day, right? Like it's the most important thing in the industry is making sure that these assets are rolling and making sure that we're delivering all the products and services around the nation or around the world that are required for everyday life, right? And so, doing everything we can to make sure that that stuff is constantly moving. I would just say that, there are a lot of cases where, we're up against a situation, and I mentioned it earlier about having to go to some of your competition to try and pick up a part to hustle and get this truck back on the road because, these customers, our customers have customers and their customers have customers, and it creates a whole chain of disappointment and frustration and delay and pricing changes because of it. And it causes all kinds of logistical nightmares for most times. I would say we don't really fully understand the end impact at the location, that you're trying to service the customer at.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I think about let's say a fleet, right? And they've got a truck and it misses a deadline that could jeopardize the relationship with their customer that's using them and their service. You think of an owner operator, right? Their families are reliant on this truck and their mom or dad to work and make money. So that's food on the table. I tell this story quite a lot, but I remember, I'll never forget the one guys whose wife called me and said, if you hadn't helped me with that transmission problem, I don't know what we would have done for groceries next week. And it was just such a moving moment for me because it made me realize how important it is to get this right.